Hi, in this video I will show you what is matrix. A matrix is an array of numbers. Here we're watching in the example 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 7 and 8 are the entries of the number. In the matrix we are facing the sequence of the numbers. The horizontal entries are called rows and similarly the vertical entries are called columns. In about the order of the matrix, which is equal to order of the matrix is equal to rows multiply columns. If we have a row matrix, which is the basic formula of a row matrix, 1 multiply and that mean which have one row and n times columns, which is called row matrix. Also about the column matrix, in a column matrix we which have only one column, and order, if you have to write the order of the column matrix is n multiply 1. So this is the basic first video of the about the matrices.